Hello, my dorklings. Welcome back to another unboxing. Today, we're taking a look at the unlocked Soundbar 2-in-1 detachable gaming LED speaker. So let's jump into it. So I picked this up from Five Below for $5. It's the unlocked brand 2-in-1 detachable soundbar and gaming LED speakers. So as you guys can see here, it's a soundbar, but you can, I guess, take the slider rails off and make them two separate speakers. Looks like it's your standard 3.5mm headphone jack, and it's Bluetooth as well. High quality sound. The LEDs change colors. Got your sliding rails to make it a soundbar and Bluetooth. So let's go ahead. Open it up. Looks like it's got instructions. We probably won't need these. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. We'll throw that out of the way. Got plastic. That's good for the environment. So these speakers are pretty tiny. I mean, I didn't think anything spectacular. And it looks like the slider rails are built in, so you can just kind of do this. Yeah. So now it's a sound bar. Sit like this on your desk or wherever you'd like. When you take them off, they can sit side by side for left and right speakers. As you guys can see, it's plugged in. It is in soundbar mode. You have to power it on. Oh, okay, that's unsettling. Looks like the LEDs change on their own. Doesn't appear to be any kind of mode to change them on their own. I wish these rails would detach, but it's fine. So I guess let's keep it in soundbar mode for now. Yeah, let's give it a listen. This is it at max volume. Alright, so yeah, this nice nifty little speakers here. I say you get what you pay for, $5. It gets the job done, so totally go for it. Not really bass heavy. And I would rate it like a 3, maybe even a 4 out of 5. Not really too many complaints. Like I said, gets the job done. Need some gaming speakers, pick them up. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.